All right. Welcome to your checkup. Tonight, I'm going to be testing your eyesight. We're just going to perform some basic tests. We'll start with some basic tests, and then we'll go to the more advanced one, and we're going to be finishing this exam with your color blindness test with color deficiency testing plates. So we're going to see if you're actually colorblind. I'm going to ask you to read some numbers from these colorful little circles inside of a big circle. So that's what's going to be on the to-do list tonight. But like I said, we're going to start off very simply. And for now, I would just like you to look at my nose, ignore the flashlight, ignore this bright light. It's just here temporary, okay? You keep looking at my nose. See if there's any imperfections on it. I am sure there is one or two. So focus on that. Alright. Keep looking at my nose. It's just going to be temporary. Temporary flashing light. I'm just going to have to check something here. Very good. I'm going to switch to yellow light now. It's much warmer and less irritating on your eyes. Keep looking at my nose. Try not to blink. Try not to blink at all. But if you have to, that's okay. I understand. Alright. Very good. Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Okay. And this eye, just 1 second longer. Don't worry. And okay, we're done with this. Very good. Now you can blink if you want. Now we're going to do a different exercise, okay? I'm going to hold these fingers here and looking at my nose. Do not move your head. Do not move your eyes. Just look at my nose. You're going to have to tell me when my fingers disappear from your eyesight, okay? Alright, good. Take a look at my nose. And let's start. Tell me when you don't see my fingers. Okay, good. One more time. Good. Good. Keep looking at my nose. Good. You're doing very good. Very good. Perfect. Okay, now, just a little bit different now. You're going to tell me, looking at my nose, you're going to tell me when you see the fingers in your peripheral vision, okay? Alright. You ready? You can blink if you want before the exam, before the exercise. Alright, very good. Look at my nose and tell me when will you see my fingers. Good. Very good. Amazing. Okay, you're doing just fine. Don't worry. Good. 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 Okay, very good. You can blink now. Now I would like you to close your eyes, and I'm going to put one finger closer to your face and the other one further away from your face, okay? Now, as soon as you open your eyes, you're going to have to use your hand to touch my finger, okay? That's closer to your face, alright? And when you open your eyes, keep looking straight ahead. Preferably on my nose because it's like directly in front of you, okay? Do you understand? Very good. Alright, close your eyes, please. And open them and touch my finger. Very good. One more time. Close your eyes, please. And open them and touch my finger. Good. And one more time. And close your eyes. Open them now and touch my finger. Very good. Alright. You can blink now. Now this next exercise, rather exam, is going to involve you, again, looking at my nose. There's a lot of peripheral vision for this one. Look at my nose. And you're going to have to tell me the finger from which hand is wiggling, okay? Either this one or this one, so left or right, alright? Alright, good. about the side, which side is wiggling. It's from your perspective. Okay, so if you're looking at me, right or left, you don't have to switch sides because I'm on the opposite of in front of you, okay? Alright, glad you understand. Alright, look at my nose. Tell me which fingers, as fast as you can, is wiggling. Good. Very good. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Amazing. Alright, good. Now we're going to move to more advanced, so to say, exercises. Now what I have here for you is a sheet you're probably very familiar with. This one involves letters and numbers. So the basic principle is just that I cover your eye, one of your eyes, and with the other opened eye, you're going to have to tell me the letters from each row. Okay, I'm going to ask you about the row. Let's say I'm going to ask you to read the letters in the 4th row, starting from left to right. All right? Good. So I'm going to cover your eye here. And here we go. Please read the numbers on the 2nd row, left from right. Mm-hmm. Good. The 3rd row, left to right. What about the 4th row? Can you read those from left to right? Mm-hmm. What about the 5th row? Left to right. Can you read those? Okay, now switching the eyes here. Now read 2nd row, right to left. Mm-hmm. Can you read the 3rd row from right to left? Okay, can you read the 4th row, right to left? Okay, and what about the 5th one from right to left? Alright, I understand perfectly. Good. I'm going to cover your eyes one more time. What is the number in the 2nd row? Mm-hmm. It's 874. Okay. What is the number? You can read the numbers starting from left to right in the 3rd row. Mm-hmm. Alright, I understand. Now this eye, 3rd row from right to left. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, I understand. Now this next exercise, I would like to see how your pupils react to light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover your eye, let it adjust to the darkness, and then I'm going to open your eye and flash a really bright light in your pupil, okay? Just to see how it reacts and if it reacts properly. Do you understand? Okay, so it might be a little irritating because it's going to be flashing bright light in your eye, but don't worry, it'll pass, alright? Good, so I'm covering your eye here, let it adjust to the darkness, and 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 perfect, one more time, 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 perfect, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 okay, good. Now the other eye, I'll let it adjust to the darkness, and 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 good. One more time, let it adjust to the darkness, and 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 very good, and one more time, let it adjust, and 1, 2, 3, shoop, 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 perfect. Alright, looks like your pupils are reacting perfectly normal, which is a good sign, alright? Alright, now, what I have here is just a basic ruler, that's it. I'm going to keep it close to your face, just like this. I'm going to show you 2 points here, point A or point B. And your job is to tell me which point is closer to your face, alright? Let's start. Point A or point B, which is closer? Point B, good. Point B or point A? Point B, good. Point A or point B? I'm going to move it a little bit closer. Point A or point B? Very good. Point B or point 8, which is closer? Point B. Alright, now Listen very carefully. Point A or point B, which is further away from your face. Point B. Very good. Well, you're doing just fine. Perfectly fine. Alright, now just keep looking straight ahead, and I'm going to check something here. Just with this warmer light, so it won't be so irritating on your eye. Good. Very good. Okay, keep looking straight ahead. Good. Very good. Alright. Now I would like you to take a look at the light and please follow the light using only your eyes, okay? Do not move your head, just your eyes, okay? And we're starting. Let's follow the light. Very carefully, very slowly, because I just want you to follow the light. I don't want to stress you out about it. Just follow the light, okay? It's very simple. Very simple to follow the light. Very good. And can you tell me which geometrical figure I'm drawing here? It's a circle. Good. What about now? It's a square. Very good. Alright, looks like you're doing just fine on this set of exercises here. Do you know what color this is? This is red. Very good. What about this one? This is yellow. Okay. Which color would you say is warmer? You associate warmth with. Is it yellow or is it red? Okay, good. Now, what color is this? Alright. I want you to look straight ahead. Just straight ahead, don't worry. Okay. Look straight ahead. Very good. Okay. Now we'll get to do the last test, like I said in the beginning, which is a color blindness test. And I'm just going to see if you can properly solve this. Well, solving is just not a good word, since you're not really solving anything, you're just answering my question. There's no riddle here. It's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So we're going to start off with plate number 1. What number do you see here? It's 12. Alright. Now, to your, well, as a fun fact, even a person with color blindness would get this right. Just a little fun fact for you. Now, what about this plate number 2? What do you see here? What number do you see? The answer is 8, and that's what's the correct answer, yes. And the person with red-green deficiencies would say 3, and people that suffer from color blindness, they would see nothing on this plate. Once again, same colors. What number do you see right here? Alright. The correct answer is 29. And person with red-green deficiencies would say 70. And someone who's colorblind wouldn't see anything on this plate. Now we're switching colors here. Different colored plate. Plate number 4. What number do you see right here? Alright. The correct answer is 5. Person with red-green deficiencies would see number 2 on it, and someone who's colorblind wouldn't see anything. They would see nothing here. Now we're moving to plate number 5. What number do you see right here on this plate? The correct answer is 3. Person with red-green deficiencies would say 5, and someone who's colorblind, they wouldn't see anything. Let's switch some plates here. We're actually going to move a little bit further, and we're going to do different colored plates now. Once again, plate number 8. What number do you see here? Right here. Alright. The correct answer is 6. A person with red-green deficiencies would see nothing, and someone who is colorblind, they would also see nothing. And we're going to move to a different colored plate now. Plate number 10. What number do you see here? Right here. Alright, the correct answer is 5. And person with red-green deficiencies would see nothing. And same, someone who's colorblind, they would see nothing here. Alright, and I have last 2 plates for you. Plate number 16. What number do you see right here in this circle? Alright, the correct answer is 26. Alright, let's move to the last one. Plate number 19. As you can see here closer, there's an X here, and there's an X here. Now, between those X's, there is a line starting from one and ending in the other. Your job is to follow the line with your finger. Show me how you're following from start to finish. Are you able to see any line here? Please try. Do you see any line that stands out here that you can easily follow? Alright, well, in tracing the winding line between the 2 X's, normal/total color blindness, unable to follow the line, red-green deficiencies trace along the line. So that was just a little tricky, right? You would think that if you're healthy, you can easily see the line and follow it. So turns out that in this case, if your eyes are healthy and you're not colorblind, you cannot trace the line. Alright, and that would be it for this exam. Thank you for participating. I hope I could clear some things up and see if you're actually colorblind or how good is your eyesight. And I guess I'll see you next time, right? For another checkup. Alright, now, take care, and bye-bye.